Running an independent school is complex. With ever-changing regulations, reporting requirements, and compliance obligations, keeping up can feel overwhelming. That's where isComply comes in. isComply is an online compliance platform tailored specifically to the needs of independent schools, designed not just to help you meet your obligations, but to support a culture of ongoing compliance and continuous improvement. At the core of isComply are the VRQA minimum standards, offering structured, detailed guidance to help schools meet registration requirements across key areas: care, safety and welfare of students, curriculum and student learning, staff employment, school infrastructure, enrolments, school governance, and senior secondary requirements. isComply also features a compliance calendar to help schools prioritise their reporting requirements. With detailed content and curated external links, schools can rely on the calendar to stay ahead of key deadlines and easily access relevant ISV and external resources to support timely compliance. Backed by industry experts from Independent Schools Victoria, isComply gives your school the tools, knowledge and confidence not only to stay compliant, but to lead with best practice.